Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a new office chair, I have the one for you. It's this beautiful task chair from COROCC. This chair is a beautiful leather chair. It's navy and gold, and I love the detail on the color on the chair. The chair swivels so easily. It really glides very easily while I'm at my desk, and it has some sturdy wheels that help you to glide back and forth on the floor. The chair is very comfortable and it's fully adjustable. It was very easy to put together. And I really like it because I really feel that it helps me to sit up taller, even though it is not a high back chair. The chair has that leather seating that is very nice. It's smooth and easy to clean, and it's fully adjustable from the bottom lever, as I mentioned. I love this European styling. I'm so happy that I was able to find this chair. It was very easy to put together, and it feels very sturdy and comfortable, and it looks absolutely stunning. If you're looking for an office chair that does all of that, then this is the one for you, and that's my point of view.